Hello! Welcome to the Greek house. Come in, I'm gonna show you. This is the living room. You can see there is the beautiful piano where you can practice some Schumann or other beautiful pieces of famous composers. Right there you can see you have the view of the pool. And the pool has a more majestic view to the mountains and also to the sea. Here's my mom. We're actually going to the airport right now it's our last 10 minutes here, so I decided to document it. And there's Marielle, who's having her breakfast in the kitchen. There is a huge kitchen, so we would make fish here and a lot of food, and it's really easy to make because there's a lot of space. So would like to follow me to go and to see a little bit outside the place where every evening we had dinners with the candles, with this beautiful view, and we even were going to swim at night because it's something incredible to see the moon and the stars and to be in the water. And this water is not just regular water, it's the source water, so it's really good for your skin, and there is no chlorine, of course, like in other pools. So yeah, let's go upstairs. Pay attention to a lot of details here because this house is the house of, I would say, collectioner. So you have a lot of precious pieces everywhere, the statues. And going up, you can see a lot of paintings of women, but just in front of them there are men. I'm going to show you one of my favorite paintings here, and this one. You can guess why. And this was my room. I'm gonna miss it. It's a huge bed, and of course you have the view. We could go outside and have the view, and also there is a view to the pool. And I had also my dream wardrobe that I hope to have in the future, and even better and even bigger. So it's a little messy, but we are living. So you see there is this mirror, and here I would put my clothes. There is the bathroom that is left, and also the bathroom. And there are also two more rooms, right? And that's it. Everywhere paintings, and this room is more a girly room. This room where my mother would stay. You see, there is the painting of a beautiful, I don't know, the queen or the princess, this beautiful woman. And also everywhere you have this view because you have the glasses everywhere, and also the mountains, the view to the mountains. And the last room is this one. This is the VIP room because you have the private bathroom here. So just when you wake up, you go and you take a bath. And yeah, that's pretty it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below what kind of videos would you like to see next. And I wish you a beautiful day, and I'm going to take my plane. Bye!